In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page turn effect in Canva. It's a fantastic way to add a dynamic element to a design that mimics the feel of flipping through a book or magazine. Whether you're designing a digital presentation, an ebook, or an online brochure, this effect can make your work more engaging and interactive. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Canva and log into your account. Once you're logged in, decide on the design you want to use. If you haven't already created one, you can start from scratch, ideally using something suitable for this effect, like a book-type layout. This will give the final product a feel of real pages turning. Now that your design is open and ready, navigate to the top right corner of Canva's interface and click on the Share button. A menu will appear displaying different options for sharing and saving your work. In this menu, you'll see an option to See All. Click on it to expand your choices further. This is necessary because you're looking for a specific feature hidden among these options, so make sure not to skip this part. Once the additional options are visible, scroll down lightly until you spot the design-related section. It might take a little time to find it, but it's there, so be patient and keep scrolling. After identifying the design section, look for Hazine Flipbooks. This tool is key in creating the page turn effect we're aiming for. Click on it to start the process of integrating your design with Hazine. This will make your project interactive and turn those static pages into something dynamic. After clicking Hazine Flipbooks, the next thing to do is click on Save. By doing so, you'll be preparing your design and pushing it to generate the flipbook effect. Depending on the size and complexity of your design, this might take a few moments, so be sure to wait patiently while it processes. Once the generation process is complete, you'll have the option to view your creation directly in Hazine Flipbooks. To do this, simply click on View in Hazine Flipbooks. And there you have it. Your design should now feature the eye-catching and professional-looking page turn effect. That covers everything. You've successfully created a page-turning effect within Canva, adding an extra layer of polish and interactivity to your project. This method is a simple yet effective way to elevate the standard of your presentations and digital documents. Feel free to experiment with different layouts to see what works best for your unique needs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!